You know your competitors are running paid ads, but have you found that when you run paid ads, you're not generating any sales? Hi everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to teach you how to generate sales from your paid ads. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click on the alert bell, so that way when I release more tips like this and even go live, you'll get notified. Question for you, have you tried paid advertising and you found that you spent a few $100s, maybe even more, and generated 0 sales? And you're wondering, hey, how do my competitors do this? If that's you, leave a comment below with yes. If that's not you, good for you, and I'm happy for you. So let's get into how you can generate sales from your paid ads. The first thing I want you to do is look at your landing page. There's tools like Crazy Egg which show you heat maps, where people click, where they're not, where they're getting stuck. This is really important because when you look at things from a visual perspective, you'll understand what's stopping people from converting. And when you know what's stopping people from converting, you can then tweak your landing page. Not all of the issues with the ads are related to the ads. In many cases, related to the landing page. The second thing I want you to look at is your ads. Who are you targeting? Yes, copy is important, but if you're targeting the wrong people, it doesn't matter. With a lot of these ad platforms like Google and Facebook, you can do things like remarketing, which tend to have a higher conversion rate. That's when people already land on your site, you can remarket them and get them to come back and then eventually buy. Or you can do things like lookalike audiences. It takes all your existing customers who are the right fit, who have bought from you, and it finds other people who are like them and it shows ads to them. When you do that, you're more likely to target the right people, so you're generating more sales from your ads. The third thing I want you to do is test your copy. And not just test your copy on your ads, but also test your copy on your landing pages. If someone's going on Google and searching a keyword like MacBook Air, and you don't have that keyword on your landing page, you're less likely to drive conversions. Not only do you need it in your ads, you also want it on your landing pages, keeps a cohesive message, and you're more likely to boost your sales. The next thing I want you to do is survey your audience. Majority, no matter how good you are at advertising or CRO, they're not going to buy from you. So surveying them, finding out why they're not going to buy, and you can use tools like SurveyMonkey. Once you figure this out, you can make those adjustments. You still won't get 100% of the people who come to your site to buy, but you can improve those numbers. Google Analytics and Crazy Egg doesn't tell you everything. You need to talk to people as well to get their feedback. The fifth thing I want you to do is try day parting. With day parting, you'll find that, hey, if you're in certain sectors like B2B and your customer only buys from you from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., why would you show ads at 7 p.m.? Yeah, you may get clicks, but in most cases, they're going to be irrelevant and you're going to be wasting money. This way, you can spend majority of your money during the right hours. The last thing I want you to look at is what regions are you targeting? If you're not targeting the right regions and you only serve a certain amount of them, you're not going to really generate sales. For example, if you're a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills, but you're showing advertising in Florida, well, Beverly Hills, California is all the way on the other side of the United States from Florida. So if you're not targeting the right areas, you're also not going to see any conversions and sales. If you need help converting your paid ads into customers, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share with others, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.